Stress relieving meditation. Be where you are. Be comfortable. Whether you are listening to this on a car, lying on your bed, sitting on a chair at your balcony, walking on a park, I would like you to close your eyes and just listen to my words or my voice for now. Can you identify the main stressor in your day? What is that one thing that is your reason for the stress? Friends, family, animal, or any incident you are afraid that might happen in the future. Identify whatever it is. In your mind's eye, imagine this issue or the stress as thought it was playing on a TV screen. You know that the issue exists and you will deal with it once you are in a better place. But for right now, reach out and pick up the remote as you press the button. The sound, whatever the stress is, becomes more and more quiet. You cannot hear it anymore. Then suddenly the image of whatever the stress is starts to fade to black and white, and it becomes more and more faint until you cannot see it anymore. With everything now quiet and still, the TV turned off, can you hear your own breath? Can you hear your out breath, your in breath? If not, take a few moments to listen closely to your breathing. Once you notice the rhythm of your breathing, put your attention to your head and your forehead. If there's any tension, tell yourself to release and relax those muscles. You will feel the tension drop away from your head, from in between your eyebrows, from your jaw. You just feel the tension dropping away. Now, shift your attention to your neck and shoulders. If you feel any tightness or strain, direct your muscles to release all the ropes that are holding you so tight together. As you feel those ropes slacken, your muscles release, you feel your shoulders drop slightly, and your head feels light and loose. Now, when you are done, repeat the following sentences after me. I am worthy of relaxation and calm. I am understanding. I am thinking clearly. I am accepting of the right resolution. I am grateful. Lastly, I would like you to say, I will do the best thing I can, because that is all I can do right now. And truly accept that is your heart. Now go back to listening to your breathing. I would like you to pick up that remote control again. Switch on the TV. See how very well you'll be able to handle the stressor now. And if it even exists at all anymore, repeat this meditation as often as you like until that stress is dissolved completely. And now you are ready to open your eyes and smile. Trust me, you are beautiful, my friend. Enjoy your day. Bye for now.